Good morning, children. Today we will study about basic concept of water. Water is very essential for the maintenance of life. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning, growing plants, putting out fire, and many more things. If water is not available to plants, animals, and human beings, they will die. Life is not possible without water. Do you know that about 70% of our body weight is water? Most of the functions inside our body can be carried out only in the presence of water. Most of us don't think about the water we drink. We turn on a tap, fill a glass, and drink. But how much water do you really need to drink every day? We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Water is a natural resource. Do you know? Water is the most abundant substance available on the surface of the earth. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. That's why we call our earth a blue planet. Oceans are the main reservoirs of water on the earth. Reservoirs means a place where water is collected and stored for use. Water is present in 3 states: solid, liquid, gas. Water in solid state is seen as snow, ice, hail. Most of the water is present in liquid form. It is found in oceans, rivers, and lakes. In the form of gas, it occurs as water vapor, as mist and clouds. Now next is, from where do we get the supply of water? Rain is the main source of water on the earth. When it rains, most of the rainwater goes under the ground. We get underground water from the wells and tube wells. Glaciers means big blocks of ice. Glaciers melt and form rivulets, that is, small rivers. Rainwater also flows into the rivers, ponds, and lakes. Water from lakes, ponds, and rivers is supplied to our houses after treatment. Pure water has no color, no taste, and doesn't have any smell. Water is a vital natural resource which forms the basis of all life. It is one of the marvelous gifts to us. Thank you. Safe water, safe earth.